Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on pundix token. In my previous video, we saw that the price action of pundix broke out the resistance of the triangle. This was the video and this was the chart that I shared with you. And we can see that the price line broke out here, and the highest price of this candlestick was 1.715 and retested the previous resistance as a support. This was another confirmation, and the final confirmation after the breakout is when we have the closing above this highest price of this candlestick that has broken out the resistance. And here we can see that we were not able to close above that candlestick, that price level. The closing price of this candle was 1.70. Another candle was also closed at 1.706, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action moved down. However, that was quite confirmed breakout when the price action retested the previous resistance as a support and it was moving up, but as usual the Bitcoin was moving down, and the price line of pundix also followed the market and moved down. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then first subscribe to the channel and do hit the like and do share my videos as well. Now, first of all, I want to show you after moving down. Here we can see that the price action has found another support, because at this level we have so many touch points. And now if I place this trend line in this way from this week of the candlestick, and I'm just connecting all the candlesticks together, and we can see that this is our support. And if we just ignore these two touch points, then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 touch points at the support. And if we place this trend line, the resistance of this triangle, the previous triangle, in this way, I'm just connecting all the candlestick, and just we ignore this touch point, then we have so many touch points at the resistance as well. And this is our new pattern that has been formed after this market drop, and this is a kind of a descending triangle, and we have support at approximately $1.53. And now our breakout point can be here, this resistance, and our targets can be changed according to the new pattern. Let me calculate the new targets. If we will have the breakout this time, then as per the new targets, for example, yes, that will be the same, the $2, and that is our next resistance as well. As we have already seen the previous support and resistance levels on the 4-hour chart, I'm just going to give you a recap here, that we have this very strong resistance at $2, and then we have the next resistance at $2.5, then 3.5, then 4.5, and then $6 resistance. And then we have the final resistance, sorry, this is not the final, that is $8, then $9, and the $10 can be the psychological resistance after crossing the $9. And here we also have found a support at $1.53. That is also the support of this new descending triangle as well. And once the price action will be able to break out this $2 resistance that I've already shown you in my previous video, this is really very strong resistance, because on the NPXS chart, the previous NPXS token before the token denomination, token redenomination, we have seen that $0.002 that was equal to the $2 of pundix price. There were so many rejections and so many support levels as well. And at this time we can also see that after this drop, the price action, this level, this $2 support level here, has worked as a support, and here it has also worked as a support. Therefore, once we will be able to break out this level, this $2 resistance level, then it can work as a very strong support for the price action, and the next support, the price action can easily break out the next resistance level as well. At this time we are having another very good support. This is a newly found support. You can see that the price action is getting bounce and bounce again and again from this support that is at $1.53. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, at this time the price line of BTC is moved at the support of the symmetrical triangle. This is the daily time frame. And if we take a look at the 12-hour chart, at this time the price line is likely to have bounced by the support of this symmetrical triangle. And if we move to more small time period chart, then it has bounced, but still there is no powerful buying volume. Therefore, the situation is still critical, and we can wait for the buying volume. When we'll have the powerful buying volume, then we can expect for the breakout. And once the BTC will break out, the pundix can also break out from the resistance of this descending triangle. This time the resistance of this triangle will be approximately at $1.7. And I'll be also looking for, again, I'm telling you that I'll be also looking for the bull cross between the directional index, the positive directional index, this blue line, and the negative directional index. Once they will form the bull cross on the 4-hour chart, this is the directional movement indicator, and the price action will also break out this resistance of the triangle. We can expect that the price line can even make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $2, and once that will be broken out, then the price action can make the other attempts to break out the next resistance levels as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.